The simplest investing advice is to buy low and sell high. The advice is simple, but it's not often followed. Think about where the stock market is right now. Is it high or is it low? There are two things we know about the stock market. We know where it is right now, and we know that the market has been lower in the past. If you believe that the market is high, then perhaps it's time to sell. Or you could wait until the market drops and then try to sell when everyone else does. Think about where taxes are right now. Are they high or are they low? Though the current tax rates seem plenty high, they are actually some of the lowest rates in history. Did you know that during the 100-year history of the federal income tax, most of the time the highest tax brackets have been more than twice as high as they are right now? In 1943, the top tax bracket was 94%. Imagine that. For every dollar you earned over $200,000, you got to keep just over a nickel of it. Until the 1980s, the top tax bracket was 70%. According to the Congressional Budget Office, if the federal government's spending goes unchanged, taxes will need to more than double. The lowest bracket would go from 10% to 25%. The current 25% bracket would go to 63%, and the highest bracket would go from 35% to 88%. There are two things we know about taxes. We know what they are right now, and we know that they've been higher in the past. If you have money in a tax-deferred account like an IRA or a 401k, you know that you'll have to pay taxes on that money when you pull it out. The question is, what will the tax rates be when you do? There is an alternative to the risk that comes with the markets and with taxes. It's called private family banking. By starting your own private family bank, you can protect your money from future tax increases and from future downturns in the stock market. After the financial crisis of 2008, Forbes magazine called this strategy a financial bunker in turbulent times. To start your own private family bank, contact a private family banking specialist today.